many high school seniors are looking forward to the future, but one North Texas student isn't waiting until college to make a difference. In fact, he's invented something that could potentially save a life. Sachchit Morgan with the Texas Online Prep School, or TOPS, joins us with more. Thank you so much for being with us. Appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
Oh yeah, so tell us about, you've developed an AI power tool that detects cancer early. This is after, I think, your grandfather passed away from cancer?
Yes.
How did all this kind of come about?
So I think it was starting sophomore year,
Okay.
and I had heard the bad news that my grandfather passed away from this rare cancer called adrenocortical carcinoma.
Oh, wow.
And I was devastated by the news,
Yeah.
and I wanted to create something that will prevent other people from going through the same thing I did. So I created an AI model and did some research into predicting adrenocortical carcinoma in its earlier stages. And as the research venue kept going and going, in my second year, so this year, I went into 6 secondary tumors as well. So not just adrenocortical carcinoma, but also 6 other cancers. And I also discovered 2 new biomarkers from genetic data from adrenocortical carcinoma. So that's just a little bit of how I got into this project. Yeah.
And so this is, and you've been doing this for a couple of years, it sounds like, working on it.
Yes, 2 years.
So you've got the tool. How does it work? How does this AI power tool work?
So basically what I made is a convolutional neural network, and you can input in MRI images or genetic data, and it can tell you if you have the cancer or not and what type of cancer it is. So my model right now predicts 7 types of cancers, and it's using MRI images and genetic data. And through my project, I discovered the 2 biomarkers I was initially saying.
Wow. And so you go online and you put in the data. That's what somebody can do if they wanted to check this out.
Yes.
Oh, okay. And you're saying that it's just research now, but you hope to advance this, right, one day?
Yes.
Tell me about that.
So I hope to get this into like a working tool, and I can patent it and everything and release it for everyone. So I need to do a lot of the certs for that, make sure it's like safe to use in the medical field. So I got some connections that can help me with that.
Oh, that's fantastic. And you're not even out of high school yet. That's what amazes me. Oh my goodness. So tell me, speaking of high school, you go to TOPS, that's the online learning school. How is that different, or what you learn there is different from being, say, in a traditional classroom?
So initially I went into TOPS when I was in 8th grade. I went there so I can play full-time tennis. And the reason I wanted to do TOPS is because from a traditional in-person school, it's more flexible. It's online, so you have flexible classes and you can do a lot more. So that's why I could play tennis, I can do all of my research initiatives. I have my own businesses as well as my own nonprofit. So my nonprofit's name is Youth Opportunities in Tech Innovation. And basically, we teach students programming, and we make them build websites and apps for other businesses for free, just to help these businesses, because we know how expensive these things get. So we wanted to help everyone out. Right. So it's a win-win situation for everyone. Yeah. And I also have an upcoming business. It's called PandaByte, and it's a computer science game education app that teaches students CS through games. That's amazing.
You're busy, such a busy guy. Good luck to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it.